Moderna's chairman is standing by the company's data on its potential coronavirus vaccine. The comments are in response to a report that raised a number of questions and led to a volatile few days for the stock. Meg Tirrell joins us right now with more on this. And Meg, this is something that played out on our air on Monday morning.
It sure did, Becky. And the story really began on Friday when Moncef Slaoui, the new head of Operation Warp Speed, the government's effort to speed vaccines for COVID-19 to market, made some comments about an early clinical trial that he got a peek at and that made him more confident, he said, in being able to get a vaccine by the end of the year. Of course, he was on Moderna's board. He didn't reference Moderna, but the implication everybody thought was that he was talking about Moderna. And of course, he left the board on Friday around the same time. Monday morning, of course, we saw those data from Moderna, and Stéphane Bancel, the CEO, joined us on Squawk Box to talk about them. He thought they were very promising, as many people did, but also very early. And then, of course, Monday afternoon, Moderna sold $1.25 billion worth of stock. Tuesday, Stat News put out a story talking with vaccine experts who said the data are very early and don't prove that this vaccine is going to work. One of the things that the article pointed out was that NIAID, the NIH institute that is working with Moderna and so many others on vaccines, was pretty silent about the data. I talked with Stéphane Bancel, the CEO, who pointed to a tweet from Vice President Pence citing a conversation with Fauci saying it was exciting data. Then, of course, guys, we did talk yesterday with the chairman of Moderna, Noubar Afeyan, and we asked him about one of the claims in the Stat article from a vaccine expert who said maybe they had more data and it just didn't look great. Here's what he said to that.
We take what we do very seriously. We would not have put out only some of the data to make anything look any different than the reality. And in fact, more importantly, not only is our scientific credibility very important to us, but the NIAID and the NIH, I think, whose credibility cannot be challenged by any experts or researchers.
And guys, the timelines for financial disclosures and the timelines for reporting science are completely different, and it appears perhaps not compatible. And that's just what's happening right now in this pandemic.